Hey guys, it's time for another episode of...
Oh, yeah. Networking awesome.
We're here at the Reckless Comedy Compound. Reckless Comedy is a popular content creator.
Yeah, they do comedy, like that old joke. So what's the deal with airline peanuts?
Are you doing like a bit?
Yeah.
Oh, please don't let me stop you.
So what's the deal with airline peanuts? You know, and then they're in the bag, obviously. And the stewardess is like, would you...
All right. Reckless Comedy already uses Ubiquiti for all their networking and powerful Wi-Fi, but we're bringing them the Ubiquiti Access System, the whole thing, and it's going to integrate easily into their existing network. And then there's the all-seeing eye of Sauron, the G4 PTZ high-performance pan-tilt zoom camera.
Ooh, my precious.
What? What? No, that's Gollum. Sauron is the Dark Lord of Mordor. There's the eye, it like sees everything.
Oh. I don't get it.
We're gonna install the G4 PTZ probably right there. It's Ubiquiti's top-of-the-line exterior camera. It has 4K video. It has infrared LEDs, that's night vision. And it can operate in 40 degree below and 122 Fahrenheit weather and has 22 times optical zoom. So it's pretty
Amazing.
Secret agency kind of stuff, you know? So, okay, let's go say hi.
Let's do it. Knock, knock.
A knock-knock joke, really?
Yeah.
Please don't embarrass me.
Okay.
Hi!
Hi!
Hey.
So I'm the head of creative here at Reckless Studios, and we make comedy content. So everything here runs on the Dream Machine Pro, like the internet, and we're an internet company, so that's pretty important. Our whole Protect security system runs through it, and our entire network is actually stored in there with it. So it needs to be the most important and secure thing in the whole office.
Totally.
Great, yeah.
And we got the G4 PTZ, so your entrance will be totally secure too.
Oh, great. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Get the box.
Yeah. And then maybe go for a swim afterwards. Gah.
I'm sorry about him. That'll happen a lot today.
Yeah, so it's super important that this area stays secure.
Huh. That looks familiar.
So what is all this stuff?
It's AI. Yeah, we just ask it to make jokes, and it does.
Really?
Yeah, it's top of the line.
Is she serious?
Yeah, I know, it's top of the line.
That's amazing.
Install time.
Great.
This is solving. Oh, Matt, plug into the 12-volt ports.
Okay.
Make sure to attach the safety cable to the bracket.
Okay.
So this is the Access Reader Pro. You just use the key card
Oh.
and it'll unlock, maglock. Yeah. It also has a camera so you can see who comes and goes and shoot sketches on it or whatever. And you already have the dome camera installed, so you're covered from all angles.
Great.
And here's the G4 PTZ, so you can see any cat burglars or Postmates. Oh, well, 22 times zoom, here we go.
That's one of our editors. Okay. Hi, I can see that you're not working. Also, why did you swipe left on her? She was so hot.
Yeah.
Wow, this is great. This is exactly what we needed.
No, perfect, right?
Yeah. Hey, are you hungry?
I could totally eat.
Yeah, you've been working so hard. Let's go. Let's get out of here.
Hey, guys.
Wow, that was probably the easiest one.
I know. when you already have the Ubiquiti switches and stuff, it's just like plug and play.
Yeah.
Hey, what did Spider-Man do on the computer?
What?
He made a website.
Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Thanks for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for more episodes of Networking Awesome.
And comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon.
Bye!
See ya! Do you really make jokes?